So what's going on everyone? This is your friend Rumansha from Everything Outdoors, and I'm really sorry for not uploading any videos in the last 2-3 weeks, as I was planning for a lot of things but nothing was working out. Though suddenly in the last 2-3 days a blizzard like winter storm broke out in Saskatchewan, Canada, bringing in about 50 centimeter of snowfall. And as you can see around here, there is a lot of snow, and I thought, why not do something crazy to welcome the long Canadian winters I was waiting for. So tonight I'm going to be camping in my backyard in blizzard like winter storm. So stay tuned and feel the thrill with me on Everything Outdoors. So I'm going to camp here in this area, and as you can see, the blizzard has its toll, and 50 centimeter of snowfall in 24 hours. People around the town are telling me they have never seen so much snow so early in November. And you know what, the weather forecast says that this is just starting out and there is gonna be a lot of snow this winter. So I'm going to have a lot of fun. For now, let me clear out the snow so I can set up the tent here. So finally I cleared the snow from the area to set up the tent, but it's freezing out here. So let me get the fire going before doing anything else. -9 right now, and with the fire going it feels quite comfortable. And I will set up my tent right now before it gets dark, and I also have a very special thing to do in this video, so stay tuned. So I'm done setting up my tent, and I also want to show you guys my complete setup. But before that, let me get my drone out and show you guys how beautiful my town is. I hope you guys liked my little town of Kyle. It's a small town and I really like it here. It might be boring, but it's very peaceful out here, and like to stay out here rather than living in hustling and bustling cities. And now, as I told you, that I'm going to give you a brief tour of my camp setup. So let me give you a brief tour, and then we'll cook supper. So to start with, I have this Coleman Sundome 3% tent. It's a very spacious tent and a very high quality tent. I got this tent from Canadian Tire for about 70 bucks. For $70, like, you know, you can't expect anything more, but it's built to last, and it is equipped with this WeatherTech technology, as you can see right here. And this technology keeps you dry no matter what. So it's a very nice tent. And if I show you guys inside, you can see how spacious this tent is. And right here I have this sleeping bag. This is from Woods brand, and this is rated for minus 15 degrees Celsius. It's a 5 lb bag, and I got it for about $100 from Canadian Tire as well. And this is a air mattress. I have this blanket, but below this is a air mattress. And as you can see, this is a twin size air mattress, and even after keeping this air mattress inside, you can see there is a lot of space left. So yeah, this is a very nice tent for 1%. I won't say this is a spacious tent for 3%. It is advertised for 3%, but you know what, like, for 1%, this is a very nice tent for $70. And lastly, I have this portable gas stove, and it's a butane stove. And you guys might say that butane doesn't work under 0 degree. Actually, I got to know about that thing after I bought this, so let's see if this works or not. Though I bought this for $29 from Canadian Tire as well. So you guys might be thinking why I am showing you all these gears and why I am giving you all this information. So firstly, this is not a paid promotion. It's not sponsored by anyone. I'm not getting paid for anything. And I don't have a heater in this tent to keep this tent warm. But before I go on any backcountry trip, I will surely get a heater for this tent. And talking about backcountry trips, I have planned a lot of things for this winter season, and this backyard camping experience is just a trial. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, press the subscribe button right now, because this winter season is going to be a lot of fun on everything outdoors. And as I told you, I am going to do something special in this video, and that special thing was I was going to build a snowman at the entrance of my motel. But as you can see, the sun is already going down, and after cleaning so much snow and setting up my tent, I am in no position to build a snowman today. But tomorrow I will surely build a snowman, and I will also upload another video doing that. But for now, let me get the supper ready. So today I will be making diced hash brown salad, and first let me get the burner started. I hope it starts. Yep. So first I will heat up some oil. So I'm heating up the oil right now. After the oil is heated up, I will add some chopped garlic and chili. I will saute it, and then I will add this diced hash brown. It's frozen diced hash brown. And once everything is sorted, I will add some onions and some tomatoes, and we'll add some spices, and our meal is ready. Easy and simple. We'll test if the oil is heated up or not. Yeah, the oil is heated up. So we'll add the garlic and chili. We'll saute it nice. It's a very easy dish, especially for camping. You just have to do few things, and the supper is ready. Once the garlic and chili is sauteed, we'll add this diced hash browns. Now the garlic and chili both have sauteed, and they have started turning brown. So now we'll add some hash browns. It's my first time cooking outside in freezing cold. It's about -10 degrees right now, and the experience is really thrilling. Like, I have never had such experience before, though I'm very crazy first of all to camp in freezing cold outside. It's turning out delicious. Smells really good. We'll add some salt and pepper. Add some special Indian spice. And we'll add this tomatoes and onions, and our supper is ready. And as you can see how delicious this supper is, I really can't wait to eat. So now I will turn off this burner, and it's really hot. Oh my god, I'm really hungry. I'm really hungry. I almost cleaned all this side. I also cleaned up the front area of my motel, and I'm completely exhausted today. But after this camping experience, I'm really excited about the entire winter season and all the trips I have planned. This particular trip has given me like that boost up I wanted, that no, I can do it, because I was always afraid of cold, and I really hated cold. Like, I lived in Toronto for about 4 years, and always in winter I went back to India, and I never stayed and spent the winters here. So this is the first time I'm spending my winters here in Canada, and I have planned that I will be enjoying as much as I can. Mm. Mm. After a long and tiring day, eating these marshmallows on bonfire is really satisfying. It's really It's 8 o'clock right now, and it's not very late, though I'm very tired after working out all day long. So I will call this a day, and I will get inside my tent to hunker down. Though if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be building the snowman I told you guys about, and I don't want you guys to miss the video. Bye bye, good night for now.